Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today our topic is error and uncertainty. So first of all, we will define what is a error. So first of all, we will define that what is a error. Error, the difference between the actual values and the measured value is known as error. For example, G is the exact value which is 9.8. Now we want to measure by some experiment, by some apparatus, and we got the values other than 9.8. So it means we did some mistake, error. Explanation: let the value of G is 9.8 meter per second square, and if and you want to measure experimentally is 9.8 meter per second. So the difference is 9.8 minus 0.4 meter per second square is the error that you did a mistake. Now the types of error means गलती होती क्यों है. So the types of error: personal error, such an error which is caused due to the improper knowledge about the instrument or incorrect reading is known as personal error. Yeah, we can say a person is performing an experiment but he is a lack of knowledge is known as personal error. Number 2, systematic error. Error caused due to the poor calibration instrument of the faulty apparatus means when the apparatus is not working properly. And random error. This error is also called accidental error, means whenever we are performing an experiment and abrupt change in the environment such as snowfall or any other storm, due to which your result has been changed, such an error is called a random error. Now I want to explain this with a common example. Let's suppose we want to find the value of G. Now we use the apparatus. Let's suppose, for example, a person, if I don't make it a proper connection, automatically answer will be wrong. If the system is not working properly, means not on, off, etc., the answer will be wrong. Or we can say abrupt change due to the we can say hit up these apparatus or some other environmental change occur, due to which your result will be the not same. So this is all about the error. And now we are going to discuss the uncertainty. Uncertainty, the possibility of error in a measurement, is called uncertainty. For example, we perform an experiment and we are not sure about the correct reading due to the following factor: personal, systematic, or random error. So uncertainty means whenever you are performing an experiment but there is some sort of possibility occurring in the measurement, is called personal uncertainty. Now the question is how to indicate the uncertainty. To understand the indicate the personality, let we have a rod and found its length is 22.5 centimeter as the least count of the, and we want to its with the meter rod, and meter rod having a 1 millimeter is the least count, means the smallest value which is measured with the meter rod is 1 millimeter. So the total uncertainty is plus minus 1. So at one end of the rod it will be 0.05 centimeter and 0.05 centimeter. So now you measure the length of the rod is such that a meter rod attached in such a way that one end of the rod coincide with the length of the rod is 10.5 and other match with this. So the total uncertainty will be that's 22.5 plus minus 0.1. For example, this is the rod and this is the meter rod that you measured with this one. Now this is the meter rod. Meter rod is coincide with the 10.5, and this is 0 1 2 3, but 10.5, and here is 33.0. So when you minus this one, so it will be equal to 22.5 plus minus 0 1. Plus minus means the uncertainty, the error could be a positive, could be a negative. For example, it will be 25.6 or 25.4 will be the answer.